Hi everyone, I'm Colin Ripperda,
I'm Ethan Wilson.
and today we're going to be showing you our online web editor. So if our server is running, you guys can see the URL, you can access it right there.
We wanted to create this as an easy way for someone to start practicing coding without having to download any extra software. So to get started here, we'll just sign up and create an account, just like that, and then we'll log in. All right. So now that we're in, it starts with just this basic workspace. Um, you'll get a random profile picture, but you can click here and you can pick whatever picture you want.
Alrighty, and now let's show them creating a file. So you're going to click the plus button, enter the file name, and now Ethan can start coding. So he's going to put his header tag in the HTML, and then he's going to write some CSS, and we will see the output on the right side of the screen once he clicks the run button. So clicking the run button and you see the output is right there in that iframe. So now I'm going to ask Ethan to save that file before he switches over, and he's going to create a new file. So let's show off how renaming a file works. So clicking that pen, you can then change that file name. And you see it's changed on the top as well as on the list of files on the left. And then switching between files, it's going to prompt the user to save so that you don't lose any progress you've made on that file. So continuing and then going back to that file, let's delete that file. And as you see, it's completely destroyed in the database as well as in the list of files on the left.
All right, so now we're going to demonstrate the sending functionality. So I'm going to click the share button, and I have another account set up with my name. And I'll click share for that, and then go and sign with a different user. So signing with my account here, and you'll see I have an inbox, and I have a notification because I have one thing, and it's file one. But here I'm going to accept it as, I'm just going to accept this as like demo file. You can see here that popped up on my file list, so I can now go there, and that code shows up.
And I'm on another computer right now, and I'm going to send Ethan another file. So if he reloads the page, you'll see his inbox is updated. And on the left, you see still his list of files as well as the file I just sent him. And so I want him to accept that file and see what I sent him.
Cool. You can see I have all this code here, and so this is a really nice way you can collaborate with people. So if I wanted, I could do something like
Aw, thanks, Ethan.
make it checked.
Yeah.
And then if I save this and reload the page, you'll see it did indeed save that, and I could send this back to him so we can easily collaborate on code that way.
Yeah, and so I think this is probably the best function of our website here. Being able to collaborate with code that you just created on a website and sharing it back and forth is a really good feature, and you don't see that in a lot of different web editors. And Ethan, what about the hardest challenge we faced doing this?
Yeah, so I think one of the most difficult things was actually getting the code to run in a smaller frame within the web editor. That was something we hadn't learned in the class so far. So we did that using an iframe and then having to append different sections to it to get everything working seamlessly together.
Right. Yeah, this was a really fun project, and I'm glad we picked it. I think yeah. All right, thank you guys so much.